the startup sound you had in previous versions of Windows U missing? Good news, it's coming back with Windows 11. Many users like to hear a startup sound when their computer turns on, as if to welcome them. Since everyone is different, you may prefer silence and no sound when Windows 11 starts up. Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to enable audible Windows 11 starts up sound. To turn off the sound at startup on Windows 11, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. After opening the settings, on the left side, click on Personalize. On the right side, scroll down and click on Themes. Click on Sound. From this pop-up window, uncheck the Play Windows Startup Sound, then validate by clicking Apply and OK. If you want to re-enable the startup sound, just check the Play Windows Startup Sound, validate by clicking on OK. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.